Hello, I'm Mike Kadar of MK Continuity and Availability LLC, and I also work for DDT Energy, which is a gas and electric utility in southeastern Michigan. At the conference, I was the speaker, and I did the session called BCM RI, which is Business Continuity Management Risk Index. And what the idea of the risk index was, I came up with it several years ago, and what it has to do with is how do you get management visibility and how do you get management's interest in the business continuity management program. But the problem there is that with the metrics that we were using, is that things like counting the number of plans or when you're doing reviews or how often you're doing exercises is really not the kind of metrics, although they're valuable at down at the program level. For the executives, I thought they required some kind of a summary. So the question was it, what did we really provide? What value did we bring to the organization? And ultimately, it comes down to two major things, which is to manage risk and also to prepare the organization for the disasters and crises. Now, I needed a comprehensive metric so I can describe what was the level of risk of the organization or to describe what the preparedness of the organization was. So that's a basic concept behind the BCM RI, so that you can give to management not only be able to describe what the level of risk or preparedness is of an organization at the business unit level or business process level, but you can also pull that data together and roll it up to an organization level, so you can tell vice presidents essentially what level of risk their organization is at or what level of preparedness, and the organization scores can essentially be rolled up also to the enterprise level, where which that score would be owned by the CEO or the president of the company. And that one number would represent the level of risk of the organization. In addition to that, working with enterprise risk management, what you could do is then to learn and establish what the risk tolerances are of the organization, and then align that with the index. So not only do you have what the current level of risk is, but you also have what's the risk tolerance goals of the organization. Then identify the gaps between the current level, which there usually is, and then of course then we would work to close those gaps. The other advantage of the risk index is if you see that let's say the number is unsatisfactory and want to know where should we put our effort, having the scores down at the business unit and organization level shows you where to actually consolidate your effort.